Circle. Yay! Done. Go to the plant. The banana. Nice. Nice. Oh, wow. It must be going over. Oh no, with this one. Okay, now scissors. Okay, what is it? Milk is go to animals. Done. Hi guys. Okay, done. Ciao, I'm Italy. Convert to Spain and the Ukraine and Poland is simply solid for Romania, the Netherlands are ground. This is Belgium. We should understand. I check you. Hey, from Sweden, Goliath. This is Belarus. Russia is a hand. Serbia is a chain. Bulgaria. Mommy, I see it's go to the plant. No. What is the meat? I think it's animals.
Ano, are you asking what kind of meat is that?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's a cow, it's a carabao, or basta it is a meat.
I think it's an animals. I think it's animals.
Yeah, it's an animal. Very good.
And how about the pumpkin?
Ano pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Ay, the squash the pumpkin. What is that?
I think it's plant.
Of course.
Wait, they're not fit.
Ano? It can fit. It can fit.
There's some more. There's only 4 things and animals.
You can put it in
Here.